Today I am showcasing Mambaram Pachadi. Mambaram means mango and Pachadi means raw. In Marari we are having almost 26 varieties of mangoes, and this particular mango is called Muvandan. In Kerala, any cooking we use one form of another coconut. This is the coconut oil, we are adding it. I am adding little bit of mustard seeds in it and let it crack. Then only the flavor infused to the oil. Dry chili, red chili, and I am adding some fresh curry leaves in it. This is chopped ginger, it is from our garden. Green chili, chopped green chilies, slightly saute, little salad. Adding little bit of more oil in it, coconut oil. I am adding the cut mangoes, roughly cut mangoes in it. I am not cooking it much, just sauteing it, not cooking much. Then I am keeping it aside. Second part, I am going to make a gravy. We are adding a little bit of grated coconut in it, cumin seed. I am adding a pinch of turmeric, little bit water in it. It need to grind well. We are reheating this mango once again, and this time we are adding some salt in it. Mango is sweet, so we need to add little extra salt on it. You can add a little bit more curry leaves, and we can add the gravy. We can slightly heat it up, and we are adding a little bit of fenugreek powder, and we are removing from the heat and adding the beaten yogurt. We need to check the seasoning. Little bit inch more salt in it, and little bit more fenugreek powder. Then we can plate it, and for plating we need to little bit more tempering. We need to heat up the pan and add little bit oil, then little mustard, curry leaves and dry chili, and we are pouring it on. And this is it. This is Mambara Pachadi. Either we can have it with the rice and with papadam, or in between as a palate cleanser we can use it also.